Right now, I'm in a place that is totally rocky, extremely dry, and unbearably hot. Yet they call this place the Sweet Valley. But are you kidding me? Hello, we're here in Wadi Al Helo! At first glance, it looks like this place is completely unlivable. It looks barren, there's no protection from the harshness of the sun, and while there is something that looks like a place where water may flow, it is completely, agonizingly dry. That's right, and it's called Wadi Al Helo, and it's Arabic for the Sweet Valley. And here is the mystery, my friends. Despite the seemingly harsh environment, it has been discovered that people have been living here for a very long time. Do you want proof? Okay then, this watchtower behind me is more than 100 years old. This mosque is over 100 years old. This big house is also more than 100 years old.
Dude, how do you know?
Dude, it's written here. This is an old watchtower that's also more than 100 years old. And this used to be an older watchtower that's more than 4,000 years old. In fact, some of the structures discovered here suggest that people have been living in this place continuously for more than 10,000 years. In this environment, how? The secret, my friends, is not in what you see. Like the rest of the country of the UAE, Wadi Al Helo has no permanent river. This is why this riverbed is dry during the summer. But what it has is plenty of water underground. And this water is used for drinking. It's used to grow food, to feed animals, and to sustain life. Water turns this dry land that you see now into a luscious, beautiful, wonderful, sweet valley. So by now I'm starting to see, and I hope that you do too, that this story is not about Wadi Al Helo. It's a story about how water is necessary for survival. If there was no water in this place, the life that you see here will be gone. And as basic as it might sound, it is important for us to realize that in order for life to flourish and continue everywhere else, we must learn how to value and conserve the water that we have.